Hello everyone, you're most welcome to my channel once again. I'm so happy to have you here for another delicious recipe. Today we are making a beautiful creamy chicken curry. First, we're gonna take our chicken breast and cut it into small even pieces. And then we add our spices, curry powder, turmeric and paprika. Mix it very well until every piece is covered in flavor. Let's start cooking by heating some oil in our pan and add the chicken. Keep an eye on your pan as the chicken sears. You want to cook it until it's perfectly golden and cooked through. Once the pieces are tender, go ahead and remove them from the heat. Transfer the chicken to the separate plate and set it aside. In the same pan, add your chopped onions and fry them until they are soft and translucent. Let's stir in some chopped tomatoes and let them soften into the base. And for a deeper color and richer flavor, we're going to add a spoonful of tomato paste. And we keep mixing until everything is combined together. I added some little water because my tomato paste was a little bit tough. Keep mixing until you get that perfect sauce. Lower the heat and pour in a generous splash of heavy cream. This makes the sauce so rich and smoothie. Give it a little mix and bring back your golden chicken pieces and let them simmer in the sauce for a few minutes. Finish it off with some fresh parsley for a nice green pulp, and that is it. Serve it over white rice or maybe tortilla bread and enjoy this amazing meal. It was so delicious as it looks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.